Hello, welcome to Neerja's algorithm. This is the integration part 2. Now I am starting with some other formulas. Here we go. Dx by under root of 1 minus x square, that is equals to sine inverse x plus c, is equal to minus of cos inverse x plus c. Dx by 1 plus x square is equal to tan inverse x plus c, that is equals to negative of cot inverse x plus c. Similarly, dx by x under root of x square minus 1 sec inverse is equal to minus of cos inverse x plus c. Now, there are some hyperbolic formulas also there, that is sin hx, means h means here hyperbolic. Sin hx into dx is equal to cos hx plus c. Cos hx into dx is equal to sin hx plus c. Sec h square x into dx is equal to tan hx plus c. These are some other formulas. Now we will continue with some other examples. After that, when you see these videos, if you have any doubts or any other topic you want to do, please write in a comment. This is the first question. A to the power x minus b to the power x whole square by ax bx into dx. This is very important question. Now how we will do? See here. I will open it like a minus b ka whole square. I will take it as a granted for you because a minus b whole square you know about it. So I will write it directly, a2x plus b2x minus of 2a to the power x b to the power x by a to the power x b to the power x into dx. Now what we will do, we will separate the numerator. It is like that. This become like this into dx plus b to the power 2x by a to the power x bx into dx minus of 2ax bx by a to the power x bx into dx. Now see here, you know about the exponents. If the bases are same and it is in a form of division, the power gets subtracted. I am writing directly everything. Now it is 2x minus x become x. So I can write a by b whole x into dx. Similarly, here also I am using that exponent property only. B to the power 2x and b to the power x become b to the power x and it become b by a whole power x into dx minus. I will take it to outside because it is a constant value and it got cancelled. It become into dx. Now I will give write one formula. D by dx, a to the power x into dx is equal to a to the power x by log a plus c. This is the integration of a to the power x. We will use this formula here. Now it will be, see here, it will be a by b to the power x. So it become a by b to the power x by log a by b. Similarly here, it become b by a whole power x by log b by a. Fine. I think you understood how I use the formula. Minus of 2x plus c as important, it should be needed. Now coming to that, you can check it, it become a log a by b and it become a log b by a. Now if you want to, this is the answer, but if you want to reduce in a simple way, so there is one more step to do. It is like that, we will write it, I will take it a by b whole power x by log a minus log b, because in the log, when it is in a division form, we can write in a subtraction form. This is the form, nothing else. This is the property of log that I am using it. Plus, minus of 2x plus c. Done. It's done. Now, second question is x to the power 6 minus 1 by x square plus 1. See here, the numerator's power is greater than the denominator. This is the most important fact. If the numerator's power is greater than the denominator, we do actual division first. Means, please write it, कि if numerator's power is greater than the denominator, we do actual division. Actual division means like this: x to the power 6 minus 1, x square plus 1. Everybody knows. Now I will multiply with x to the power 4. It become like this. Sorry, plus. Now this got cancelled. This minus x to the power 4 minus 1. Now I will multiply with minus x square. Now it become minus of x to the power 4 and it become minus of x square. Again it like this, x square minus 1. I will multiply with 1. It become x square plus 1. Now this got cancelled, minus and this minus 2. Now what is this? This is your dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. You know the property. So I will use that property to do the integration. Now we use this property. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is your dividend? X to the power 6 minus 1. What is your divisor? It become x square plus 1 into, what you got the quotient beta? The quotient is x to the power 4 minus x square plus 1 and remainder is minus 2. Now see here, I want to integrate x to the power 6 minus 1 by x square plus 1. Matlab, if I divide the whole equation by x square plus 1, I can get my that integrated value. So what I will do, divide by x square plus 1. Now if I divide it, see here what will come. It is like this, because it got cancelled, minus 2 by x square plus 1. Now integrating both sides. See, I got this is equals to this. Simply x to the power 4 integration, x to the power 5 by 5 general integration, x cube by cube, 1 ka is x. Today only I wrote the formula beta. 1 by x square plus 1 is tan inverse x. So it become 2 tan inverse x plus c. So important note, make a important note, if the numerator is greater than the denominator, you use integration by actual division first. Now the third question is cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha by cos x minus cos alpha into dx. If you know the trigonometric formulas, this integration is very easy. Like, I know that cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1, and similarly cos 2 alpha. So I can write 2 cos square alpha minus 1 by cos x minus cos alpha into dx. Now I will open the bracket. It become like this, 2 cos square alpha plus 1 by cos x minus cos alpha into dx. What we are seeing that 1 and 1 got cancelled, and I can take it 2 common out of the integral sign. Now cos square x minus cos square alpha is like a square minus b square. So I can open it like a minus b into a plus b. I will do that. Cos x minus cos alpha into cos x plus cos alpha. Now down part remains same. Denominator remains same. So it would be, see here, it got cancelled. I got only cos x plus cos alpha into dx. We will integrate this part only. Now twice of cos x plus cos alpha into dx. I will separate it again. Twice of cos x into dx plus twice of cos alpha into dx. You are thinking I am writing every step. Why I am writing? Because in CBSE, now see, I am writing all the steps. Why? Because in CBSE, if you won't write the steps, your marks will cut. That is why I am showing every step by step. Now it become twice of cos x into dx plus twice of cos alpha into dx. Naturally कि cos x का integration becomes sin x, that you know very well. But please check it. This is alpha and this is x. You cannot integrate the other one with respect to the other one. It's not a differentiation. That means because I am integrating with respect to x, so cos alpha become constant. So it become 2 cos alpha and dx ka integration is x. Because integration completed, so plus c will be added to it. This is the answer. Make a note. Now, fourth question. Integration of x square by under root of 1 plus x square bracket 1 plus x square minus 1. This question is looking so complicated, but it is very easy. What we will do, we will rationalize it with this term. See here, x square by under root of 1 plus x square by under root of 1 plus x square minus 1. You know about the rationalization. If minus sign is there, I will multiply with the opposite sign, that is the plus sign. Now see, the first step is to rationalize it. It is like this. So simple. Now we will check it. X square 1 plus x square plus 1 by under root of 1 plus x square as it is. Here a minus b into a plus b. You know about rationalization, denominator, always we use the same formula, a square minus b square. If I am using a square, the root will go. It came like this. 1 का square तो 1 ही होता है बेटा जी. dx. 1 and 1 got cancelled. I am remaining with a single term x square. Beta x square and x square also got cancelled. I am remaining with the term under root of 1 plus x square plus 1 by under root of 1 plus x square. So I will separate the numerator now. It become like 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square into dx plus dx, because 1 into dx is dx only, by under root of 1 plus x square. See, now this and this got cancelled. It remained with dx only. So I am writing here dx ka integration become x beta. Now coming to the next integral, dx by under root of 1 plus x square. This integration is beta g sine hyperbolic inverse x plus c. Please make a note, this is only the integration of that. This is the answer. Now, fifth question is e to the power minus log cos x square x into dx. Here we will use the property of the exponent and the log. I will give you some only the tips about that. Exponential and log both are reverse of each other. So first of all, one thing I will do, log ka there is a property, whatever in front we can write in a power. So what I will do, I can write it like this, whole power minus 1. This minus went here. It is like that. Now e and log, I said they are reverse of each other. I can remove it. So I am remaining with cos x square x whole inverse into dx. What it become? It become 1 by cos x square x into dx. Now, what is 1 by cos square x? It is equals to sine square x into dx. But you don't know about the integration of sine square x. So what we will do? We will use again the trigonometric formulas. Sine square x is equal to 1 minus of cos 2x by 2 into dx. Now again I will separate the numerator. 1 by 2 into dx minus of cos 2x by 2 into dx. What is the integration of 1 by 2 beta ji? 1 by 2 it's become 1 by 2x, and 1 by 2 I took it out. Cos 2x का integration become sin 2x. But if I will write sin 2x only, it will be wrong, because x का coefficient here 2, I should divide by 2, and this is the answer. Make a note. Sixth question. Integral of under root of 1 plus sine 2x into dx. There are two methods to show this integration. First, I will explain like this. In place of 1, I will use the identity what you did in 9th standard, then 10th standard. So it is very easy. Sine square x plus cos square x. I can use it. Now it will be sine 2x means what? The formula, trigonometric formula. 2 cos x into sin x into dx. Simple. What it become? It become sin x plus cos x ka whole square. Check it. Sin x plus cos x ka whole square into dx. See here, square root and the power is 2. That means it came out sin x plus cos x into dx. Integration makes simple. Sine integration is minus of cos x. Cos x integration is sin x plus c. Done. Now the seventh question is integration of 1 plus cos square x by 1 minus cos 2x. Here I am using the formula of 1 minus cos 2x. That is 1 plus cos square x. I won't touch it. Here 1 minus cos 2x become 2 sin square x. Now again the same thing, I am separating the numerator. It become 1 by 2 sin square x into dx plus cos square x by 2 sin square x into dx. It is like that. Now 1 by 2 I am taking out. 1 by sine is cos x square x into dx plus 1 by 2 cos by sine is cot, so it become cot square x into dx. It is like that. Now I took it 1 by 2 out. 1 by sine become cosec and cos by sine become cot square x. We know the integration of cosec square x, that become minus of cot x. I am writing here minus of cot x. But cot square x ka there is no direct integration, so I will change it into a identity, that is equals to cosec square x minus 1 into dx. Understood? Now I did this first part ka integration. I am writing it here 1 into like this. See bacho, like this. Now plus half, I am keeping it out only. Now I am integrating cosec square we did now only, so it become minus of cot x and plus x minus 1, that become a minus x plus c. It's done. See, we did so many questions, student, how simple they are. But for integration you need to remember all the trigonometric formulas. It is necessary, and practice also. You do all the questions again, so you will understand how simple they are. Now in my other videos I will start with the substitution of the integration.